So this first version, this could haul about 100 kg payload. It was originally a payload hauling robot, but eventually we integrated a weed cutting payload on it, which can be controlled from remote. So you can do the weed cutting job without wearing all the safety gear at a distance. Now the second version, we upgraded with a video camera and a video feed capability. In the remote itself has a small monitor where you can see what the robot is seeing. It can go up to 4 cameras, and all the features like automatic turn indicators, automatic brake lights, automatic reverse light, everything is included in all our platforms, and features keep getting added only. Okay, the next version maybe we will be hauling about a ton, and with GPS waypoint navigation as well. It is not built, it's still work in progress, but the next version will have GPS waypoint navigation for outdoor use also. So this was the version 1 of the remote, but now we have a very sophisticated, ergonomically designed, easy to hold, easy reach of all the controls kind of remote. This will get added with more features. As the remote progresses, we'll have more buttons and controls for various features that are, and this has separate antenna for radios as well as separate for video, and we can give up to 4 channels of video on the robot. It could be front, back view as well as payload view or something like that. Small demonstration video of our Koorma remote and the Koorma chassis, which is in bare bones. We are still in the lab testing it out. So you can see the disc brake is engaged now, and my wheel doesn't rotate. It is because this lever is pulled up. It is engaging the brakes. Now he will start driving the remote. Yeah, as soon as he starts driving, you can see disc brake disengage first, then the wheel starts rotating. This happens to both the side, left and right. Okay, now once he stops, the wheel stopped wherever it was, and if once he starts again, if the brake is disengaged, it doesn't care, it starts driving. Stop, because auto brake is switched off. Now let us first try a manual brake engage. Hit brake. So once you hit the brake button, you can see that disc brake got engaged and the wheel got stiff again. Okay, now let us try the auto brake mode. We just switched on the auto braking mode. Now disc brake is engaged. Now once he starts driving, brake got disengaged, it starts driving. Suppose you are driving on an incline and you are scared of driving it and it will roll or something. So as soon as he releases the joystick, without doing anything, the brake get engaged. So the vehicle stops. Even if you are running on a steep incline, you can stop the vehicle. Brake